We've pulled out another rock specimen from the San Diego area canyons. This happens to be from Mission Gorge. It's from the Mission Gorge Quarry. This piece of igneous rock is called andesite. The word andesite comes from the word Andes. The Andes Mountains in South America are made up primarily of andesite. Well, andesite is a flow lava. It's an extrusive igneous rock, but it's a flow lava typical to lava flows on seafloors in areas that are tectonically very active, like in seafloor or plate subduction zones, or places where plate tend to collide. Well, the rock color is distinctive to the rock type. It's kind of a gray-green color. Gray-green in color because it's very rich in iron and magnesium. It takes just a little bit of iron and magnesium to stain all the silicates, which are quartz and feldspar, which are very light-colored rock, to stain it all to this rather gray-green color. Like any igneous rock, the minerals that make it up determine the color. The minerals are almost all silicates, so just a little bit of iron and magnesium is enough to give us this color. Well, being an extrusive igneous rock, one that flowed out on a seafloor, it cooled very rapidly, so crystals really didn't have time to develop. It's a microcrystalline rock. As this flow lava was flowing on a seafloor, there apparently in their area was volcanic eruption going along, and chunks of rock flew up into the air, ash and small rock particles, probably rained down into the sea, fell into this lava flow, and you can see those little chunks embedded in this flow lava specimen of andesite. Notice first that they're very angular, meaning they were not water-worn. They were very sharp, angular pieces because they came directly out of the volcano, fell into the sea, rained down to the bottom to become embedded in this flow. Well, flow lavas of that type that have these little angular pieces embedded within them are called pyroclastic lava, meaning it's made up of a lot of little solid bits or clasts. Or there's also a name for the texture of having these little angular fragments in them. It's called a porphyritic texture or volcanic porphyry, found very often in andesites and in rhyolites. Well, the andesites in San Diego are part of a vast seafloor flow that came out of a deep seafloor fissure, a place where continental plates were colliding way back in the Jurassic, and that's about 100 million years ago. So this is a very common rock type found in the San Diego area.